Welcome to our journey to the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. Join me as we explore Gojra's rich agricultural tapestry and the cultural nuances that color the lives of its people. Gojra is a city that lives and breathes agriculture. Vast fields stretch out, a patchwork quilt of emerald green and golden yellow. This is the breadbasket of Punjab, where the fertile soil nurtures life. The air here is alive with the industry of farming. Generation after generation has tilled this land, coaxing forth bountiful harvests of wheat, the staff of life. Cotton, too, flourishes here, its soft white bolls promising warmth and comfort. And then there is sugarcane, its tall stalks reaching for the sky, laden with the promise of sweetness. The monsoon season arrives like a blessing, transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of lush greenery. The fields, once parched and brown, now shimmer under the life-giving rain. This agricultural abundance is the lifeblood of Gojra. The farmers, with their weathered faces and calloused hands, are the backbone of this community. Their tireless efforts sustain not only their own families, but also the entire region. The fruits of their labor find their way to bustling markets, where the air is thick with the scent of fresh produce and the sounds of commerce. Here, the rhythm of rural life meets the energy of the city, creating a symphony of human endeavor. The next time you break bread, take a moment to appreciate the unseen hands that have toiled to bring that food to your table. The land around Gojra is a land of extremes shaped by the unforgiving forces of nature. The landscape tells a story of resilience and adaptation. The sun, a relentless presence in the sky, beats down with fierce intensity during the long summer months, creating an environment that tests the limits of endurance. Temperatures soar, often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, testing the resilience of both man and nature. Farmers toil under the blazing sun, their determination unwavering. The earth bakes under the scorching sun, and the air shimmers with heat, creating mirages that dance on the horizon. Yet, even in this arid environment, life finds a way. Hardy plants and resilient vegetation cling to survival. Deep within the earth, water tables hold the promise of sustenance, a hidden treasure that sustains life. Intricate irrigation systems channel this precious resource to the thirsty fields, ensuring the survival of crops. These systems are a lifeline, a testament to human ingenuity. As the year progresses, the seasons turn, bringing with them a welcome respite from the scorching heat. The land breathes a sigh of relief. Winter descends upon Gojra, cloaking the city in a blanket of cool air. The mercury plummets, dropping to a chilly 5 degrees Celsius in the depths of December and January. The change in temperature is dramatic, a stark contrast to the sweltering heat of summer. The landscape, once vibrant with the hues of summer crops, takes on a more subdued palette. The trees stand bare, their branches reaching towards the sky like skeletal fingers. But even in the depths of winter, there is a certain beauty to be found in the starkness of the landscape. The air is crisp and clean, invigorating the senses. It is a time of reflection and quiet. And then, just as the land begins to yearn for the touch of warmth, the cycle of seasons begins anew. Spring arrives, bringing renewal and hope. The people of Gojra have learned to live in harmony with this cycle of extremes, adapting their lives to the rhythms of nature. They embody resilience, finding balance in a land of contrasts. The majestic River Ravi flows within a short distance from Gojra, its presence felt throughout the region. This life-giving artery courses through the landscape, its waters a source of sustenance and serenity. The Ravi is not just a geographical feature, it is an integral part of the region's identity, its history, and its very existence. For centuries, its waters have quenched the thirst of people and livestock alike, its flow dictating the rhythms of agriculture. As the river meanders through the countryside, it creates pockets of tranquility, verdant oases that offer respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The banks of the Ravi are a haven for wildlife, a sanctuary for creatures great and small. Birdsong fills the air as colourful kingfishers dart among the branches, their plumage a flash of brilliance against the azure sky. Fishermen cast their nets into the flowing waters, their movements honed by generations of tradition, hoping for a bountiful catch. For the people of Gojra, the Ravi is more than just a river. It is a symbol of life, a source of inspiration, and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. While Gojra and its surrounding areas are predominantly known for their agricultural prowess, pockets of natural beauty still persist. These pockets are not just remnants of the past, but are vital components of the present ecosystem. The landscape, though largely shaped by human hands, still harbors a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. a testament to nature's resilience. This blend of cultivated and wild areas creates a unique mosaic that supports a wide range of life forms. Small patches of forest, remnants of a time when the land was less cultivated, dot the countryside, providing refuge for a variety of creatures. These green sanctuaries are crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Here, amongst the towering trees and tangled undergrowth, a hidden world thrives. This undergrowth is a haven for many species, offering shelter and sustenance. Bird song fills the air, a chorus of chirps, tweets and trills that rise above the rustle of leaves. These melodies are not just beautiful, but also play a role in the ecosystem by marking territories and attracting mates. Colourful parrots flit through the branches, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the muted tones of the forest floor. Their presence adds a splash of colour and a sense of vibrancy to the forest. Insects, too, play a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. They are the unsung heroes, contributing to processes like decomposition and pollination. Bees buzz from flower to flower, their diligent work ensuring the pollination of crops and wildflowers alike. This pollination is essential for the reproduction of many plants and the production of fruits and seeds. Butterflies, with their intricate wing patterns, flutter through the undergrowth, adding a touch of ethereal beauty to the scene. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy environment. The ground, too, is teeming with life. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, each plays a role in the complex web of life. Small mammals, such as field mice and hares, scurry through the undergrowth, their keen senses alert to any sign of danger. These creatures are an integral part of the food chain. Recognizing the importance of preserving this delicate balance, the region is home to small wildlife sanctuaries, havens where certain species find protection from the pressures of human encroachment. These sanctuaries are vital for conservation efforts. The people of Gojra understand that their livelihoods are inextricably linked to the health of the surrounding ecosystem. They work harmoniously with nature, ensuring that their agricultural practices do not disrupt the natural balance. Gojra is a city of contrasts, a place where the energy of urban life blends seamlessly with the tranquility of the countryside. This unique blend creates a dynamic environment that is both invigorating and calming. Within the city limits, a vibrant tapestry of human activity unfolds, showcasing the hustle and bustle of daily life. The streets are a hive of activity, bustling with life and commerce. People move with purpose, each contributing to the city's vibrant pulse. Shops and stalls line the roadsides, their wares spilling out onto the pavements. The variety of goods on display is a testament to the city's diverse culture. The air is thick with the scent of spices, freshly baked bread, and the sweet aroma of chai brewing on open fires. These sensory delights are an integral part of the city's charm. Local markets, the heart and soul of any Pakistani city, are a feast for the senses. They offer a glimpse into the daily lives of the residents. Here, amidst a cacophony of sound and a riot of colour, vendors hawk their wares with gusto. The energy is palpable, drawing in locals and visitors alike. Fresh produce, grown in the surrounding fields, is piled high, its vibrant hues a testament to the fertility of the land. The abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables is a sight to behold. The sound of laughter and animated conversation fills the air as friends and neighbours gather to exchange news and gossip. These interactions are the lifeblood of the community. Children dart through the crowds, their eyes wide with wonder at the sights and sounds of the market. Their playful energy adds to the lively atmosphere. Yet, just a stone's throw from this urban hustle and bustle, a different pace of life prevails. The transition from city to countryside is almost seamless. Step outside the city limits and you enter a world where time seems to move more slowly. The serene landscape offers a stark contrast to the city's frenetic energy. Here, amidst the fields and farms, the rhythms of life are dictated by the seasons, the cycle of planting and harvesting. The connection to nature is deeply felt. Farmers tend to their crops with care, their movements honed by generations of tradition. Their dedication ensures the land remains fertile and productive. Gojra embodies this unique duality, this harmonious coexistence of urban and rural life. It is a place where the past and present, tradition and modernity come together in perfect harmony. While Gojra may not be a renowned tourist destination, its historical and cultural significance within the Punjab region should not be underestimated. The city and its surrounding areas bear witness to a rich tapestry of history, with echoes of the past lingering in its architecture, its traditions, and the stories passed down through generations. The region surrounding Gojra is dotted with ancient mosques, their minarets reaching towards the heavens, a testament to the enduring faith of its people. These architectural marvels, some dating back centuries, stand as silent sentinels, their intricate designs a testament to the skill and artistry of a bygone era. Beyond the city limits, crumbling ruins and ancient burial grounds hint at a time when mighty empires held sway over this land. These archaeological treasures, though often overlooked, offer tantalizing glimpses into the past, inviting us to piece together the stories of the people who came before us. The true heart of Gojra's cultural heritage lies in its people and their traditions. Generations of farmers have tilled this land, their lives inextricably linked to the rhythms of the seasons. Their customs and beliefs passed down from parent to child are a rich tapestry woven from the threads of history, religion, and a deep respect for the land. Gojra may not boast the grandeur of Lahore or the historical significance of Mohenjo-Daro, but it possesses a charm and a character all its own. As we conclude our journey through Gojra, we are reminded that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places. This hidden gem of Punjab has revealed itself to be a place of surprising diversity, rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. Until next time, keep exploring.